Pendiami ke channel Banwan Rak Kubor Baman Lagasmi.
You to fill up the form and appear at exam. I told no, I don't know. He told just because of attendance. In PU first year and second year, I absent only in 2 periods, not 2 days. So that is the importance of hope and attendance. And Brother D'Souza, or next principal, teach me one thing in life, that Brother Shannon also teach me time. When I appear my final exam was at 9 in the morning. So I don't know, in my own way, I get up early in the morning, but I don't know how. My watch is slow. Then when my Kong tell me, do you have exam now today? I told yes. What time? I told 9. She told it's already 9:30. I stayed in Dong Dong. I ran away. That time this Chinking is still a wooden bridge. When I reach here, I late by 1 hour. And Sar Lahiri was the in charge of exam in that hall. He didn't allow me to appear at the exam. He told no. He called Brother Shannon. And Brother Shannon, in his towering figure, looked at a small boy with a smile and hand a paper to me. And from that point of time till today, I tried in every meeting to be on time or before time. So these are the lessons which I learned in St. Edmund's only, which I try to be more careful. When I appear my final exam, BSc, science have appear in the afternoon, arts and commerce in morning. So, on the last day, the general foundation course, because I make a habit of never to copy routine, so at around 11:15, I thought, what I will do at home? I'll go to college. When I reach college, when I reach Bapi Maniang fuel station, I meet my friend. He has just returning back. I told, where are you coming? He told, I'm coming from exam. I told, he's my classmate. How come he come from exam? Then when I reached down shop, my elder brothers and all, they're all very happy. Why you are so happy today? Last day of exam is over. I told, exam is over? How come? I'm going for exam. Then, you told, we haven't finished. I told, no. Then about 20-25 of them, we all come here to meet Brother D'Souza to allow me to appear for the exam. He told, no. It's already 12. How I will allow you? I told, I have not seen the paper. I didn't see anything. And all my friends, they Garawi and about 100 of students come and told Brother D'Souza that you have to allow him. And last, Brother D'Souza, he told, only 1 hour in my chamber. So it is a general foundation course because that time general foundation course is common. So from that type of thing which happened in St. Edmund's, teach me. Not only that, St. Edmund's as an institution, teach each and every one of us to be able to stand on our feet. World is full of challenge. My dear student, nowadays many youth, they are telling that life, there is not much opportunity. Life is plenty of opportunity. Whoever thought that 1.5 years of COVID would open so many avenues for the people to explore, for the people to venture. It is all in the mindset. So Saint Edmunds teach you, give you the best education, and that education you get here open a horizon of thought for you to explore. That is the most important thing. Education, if you are BA honors in political science or a subject, should not confine your thought only on political science. It will empower you to think beyond. Whoever thought that until and unless you prepare yourself, it is very difficult to meet the challenge. Whoever thought that the Grand Old Ambassador car have to wait for 6 months to get delivery, and in few years when Maruti come, just vanish. Because why? It could not withstand the competition. So Saint Edmunds has teach you. Education gives you how to be competitive. Prepare yourself. And one more thing which you should remember, that there is nothing inferior or superior.